when crafting the blog, it's about really finding out how to get the person to keep on reading.
Mm-hmm.
So Eddie, to that point, what are like some of the things that keeps readers on reading without being, I guess, sensational?
You're answering the questions. I mean, so you can't pad things with hypotheticals. Like, I remember reading someone's blog a long time ago about child support, and the first paragraph is about like this hypothetical fictional scenario about the child asking for more money or needing new shoes. And then there was really elaborate, they had like fake dialogue in there. Like, I don't need that. Like, I'm not reading.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Like, I
That's,
don't.
that's so weird.
Yeah, I know. It is like they were creating a hypothetical situation. I'm like, I don't need this right now. Like, I'm not reading a book. Like, I'm my assets are on the line.
Yeah.
I'm going through a divorce, and I need answers. Am I going to lose my house? Like, how does that get divided? Can I refinance, buy my spouse out, or vice versa? Like, I want friggin' answers. And like, I mean, I think with anyone that's an attorney or anyone that is an attorney, that's what your people want. I mean, even with the AI response, when it's short, that's not enough to set them at ease. There's too many. I mean, regardless of what it is, whether it's estate planning, family law, personal injury, there's too much there to get it in one hit. So you want to scroll through. You're looking for subheadings. You're looking for things that are going to connect with you. You're looking for bolded lines that stand out. And like, so, because again, people don't even necessarily sit down and read blogs. They scroll through them. They read a couple of sentences and they peruse.
Yeah, there's a on TikTok. I know it's on TikTok. I'm not too sure about the other platforms right now, but on TikTok there's a feature to speed through the video. So it's like
really?
yeah, so it still has a sound to it. So it's like if someone's like explaining something, you can still understand them, but it speeds up the video. So even for the short formed content that's already short formed and already meant to be quick,
You wanna get
like
it
people
quicker.
are holding on and like they're speeding through it.
My ex-girlfriend would
WhatsApp.
watch Love is Blind with the remote control in her hand, and she'd fast forward it.
I
She'd
would
sit there, right.
I would fast forward through the whole thing.
Understandably,
Like just like
but I mean,
actually
skip
not
to
even
the end.
not even
She
watch
listened
it.
to like 3 lines, like this conversation is irrelevant. Fast forward to the next. Okay, so this is interesting.
Wow.
Fast forward, and it's like I'm just. And I mean, ironically, strange enough, you could kind of get what was going on with her fast forwarding.
Hey, let me save everyone the time. People got together. They thought they could find true love on a game show, and it just didn't happen. Bada bing, bada boom.